Hello, my name is Jonathan David, and I'll be starting a new YouTube channel. What this channel is about is the glory of God. This isn't just another Bible study. It's not about trying to outdo someone else. What I really want to accomplish here is to teach the Word the way the Bible is meant to be understood. What your pastors told you, what other Christians have alluded to, may or may not be relevant. You may find many people in church who are actually bound for hell when they die. Why? Because they are indeed just cultural Christians. They pin Jesus on their shirt when they go to church, but when they go home, they peel it off and get rid of it. Why? Because Jesus never came into their heart. He is not Lord and Savior of their lives. He is just a common word tossed about. We can all use the God vocabulary, never being changed, not understanding what the gospel is all about. If you think that Christianity is just about getting your fire insurance, you have no idea what it's all about. However, if you want to change your life, to let Jesus Christ reign supremely in your heart, that's what Lordship is all about. The Bible always refers to this as Lord and Savior, never just Savior and Lord. Sure, salvation comes before Lordship. However, Lordship is the ultimate goal. If you discard this, then you don't want to know the truth. Will you accept the truth, or will you be led about by what's popular? Do you have itchy ears to hear certain things, or do you want to serve God, whether it costs you your life, your liberty, everything you own? Remember, there have been many people who have gone before you. The Reformation was not an easy time. People burned at the stake. They had to decide whether they would serve convenience and pleasure, or they would serve God and His Word, which are one. I'm here to call all of you out to be the latter. Do not be cowards. Do not be ashamed of the gospel. Stand up for the Lord. Stand up for the truth, and be a committed Christian today.